Hi, thank you for joining us today. I'm Elvin Hamilton with FamilyFunTips.com. I'm here with my mother today, and like I said on my last video, we're going to make some food that's easy to make, and with the holidays coming up, this would be a great thing that you can make. This is my mom. Her name's Bee Hamilton. Mom, how old are you? You want to tell everybody?
What?
You want to tell everybody how old you are?
102.
Ah, 102 years old. She's great. Anyway. She makes some great recipes. She has some great recipes. I'm hoping we can do more of this. So what we're going to make today, we're going to make a chicken egg salad. And it's simple, it's easy, and it's great. And you can make it, you can make a bunch of it for Thanksgiving and take it to your relatives for the holiday or just have it for yourself. You can have it for a snack later. You can put it on a sandwich. You can do all kinds of things with it. So let's get started. What we're going to use is eggs. We got eggs and chicken here. We've already cut up some of the chicken from one of the eggs. It's hard-boiled eggs, grilled chicken. We have relish right here, and then we have mayonnaise, and that's all it takes. All right, Mom, what do we do?
Well, first we take the eggs
Okay,
and we put the eggs over here
okay.
and
Here, let me chop up these eggs.
just take that one. And
Okay,
here we're going to chop up the eggs. And here we already have the chicken already chopped up. Then you add the two together. After you add the two together, then you start stirring. Then we have this uh,
that's relish.
relish. And then you take this relish and make a nice big spoonful and put it in there with the rest of the chicken and the eggs,
All right.
which that is coming up. After that's all stirred together, then we have to go down and get some mayonnaise. We're going to get a big spoon of mayonnaise. Is that bowl big enough?
Yeah, go ahead. We'll put
Uh,
some in there.
you got both of them in there?
Yeah,
Okay, now we're going to put that in here. You'll have to stir.
that's fine. I'll stir it.
Now stir that up.
Okay.
And then this is the way you make a nice big chicken and egg salad. Great for the holidays coming up. And we hope that you will enjoy it and hope that you make more of it for yourself.
Here, let's put a little bit more mayonnaise in
Okay.
here.
Now
And
reach it.
show this how it looks. And then let's see, we'll add some. Hey, do you have any salt?
No.
Okay, because I forgot to bring salt.
Oh, yeah.
We're here at Mom's kitchen.
So
Okay,
this is the way we make us a good salad. I'm sure you'll enjoy it for the holidays.
all right. We'll put in some relish.
Show them how good it looks.
Ah, there you go.
There it is.
Ain't that?
All finished.
That was pretty quick, wasn't it? Now, the hard-boiled eggs, everybody knows how to make hard-boiled eggs. I have a little device. It's a little egg cooker. It's about this big. I'll try to see if I can find it on Amazon or some kind of link, and I'll put it in below. It takes it, honestly, you put some water in it, you poke a hole in the egg, you put that in there, hit a button, it takes maybe 5 minutes, and your eggs are done. And they're perfect every time. If I can find it, I'll put a link to it.
You can also double that if you have a crowd. Just double it or triple it if you need to for the crowd you have. What you want?
Do you have some salt?
You'll pretend you're
So, forgot to bring the salt.
Lois has got my salt.
Oh, okay.
So
Anyway, so that's how easy it is to make the chicken egg salad. Do you want to try some of it?
well,
Why don't you try it and see how it tastes, see if we did
yeah, I haven't tasted that.
it.
Mmm,
Is it good?
that is delicious.
Okay, I need to get me a bite now. I need to
It's
get
very,
some.
very good.
Okay. Mmm, that is good.
Very
Man,
good.
that's real good. It may not make it to the rest of the day. That's really good. Anyway, So I wanted to bring that to you, just something quick, easy to make. Probably takes you longer to fix the chicken and the eggs, but I'll be honest, just I stopped by one of the fast food places and I asked them for a couple grilled chicken patties and I bought a couple. They were cheap. It only takes one patty to make this much. Now that's quite a bit. Here, I'll bring it around. All right, that's it right there. That is that that is that's better than store bought. It is fresh, it's good, and look how much this made. And that was only it's like 2.5 eggs, just a little bit of relish, a little bit of mayonnaise, and you have a whole bowl full. This will last quite a bit. It'll feed probably at least 4 or 5 people, I would think. You make sandwich out of it. You could use it just as a side, like green beans or something like that. It's good just eating it right out of the bowl, which we probably will do. So anyway, I want to thank you again. This is Elvin Hamilton with Family Fun Tips. I hope you have a great day. I want to thank Mom for helping me today with our food recipe that we did. She's going to help me in the future with some more recipes. She's got some great recipes. So I want to thank you again. Don't forget to go to familyfuntips.com. Hit subscribe so whenever we come out with new videos, you can get in on the new ones that we come out with. We plan on coming out with a lot more. And again, thank you. I want you to have a great day. And if I don't talk to you before then, have a great Thanksgiving. Goodbye.